Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can easily turn on your game mode on AOC monitor. So it's super simple. First that you want to do is that here you're going to have the buttons on the bottom or on the right. I have it on the bottom. You're going to have the power button, which is going to be the first one. Then you're going to have another button for menu. So here, then you're going to be here in menu. And when you're going to be in menu, what you want to do is pretty simply, next to the menu, you're going to have arrows to the left, to the right. And you just want to go. I'm just pressing the arrow. You can see also my hand there. And then you just want to go to game settings. And when you're going to be in a game settings, what you have to do is you want to press mode again. So you're going to have the arrow and the menu. So you want to press mode and then just press here again the menu. Press menu, then it's going to be green, and changing the setting may increase power consumption. Would you like to proceed? And then you're just going to press arrow and yes. I don't want to do it, but this is how we're going to do it. It's super simple, and here you're going to have it. So I hope this video gave you value on how you can actually do it. And again, you're just going to go to menu, then you're going to go to game settings again, and there you're going to have right there the first thing, the game mode. And that's how we're going to do it. So have a great day and goodbye.